please, we are calling them to look into the activities of the military. We condemn in totality the killing of the military men in the southeast. But terming it that it is our children that are killing them, we say, we deny it, and we say no to that.
Yes.
Nobody is proved guilty until found guilty. With the presence of the military in the southeast, it looks as if we are under siege. We move with fear. So we plead with the federal government of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, let us even know who we are facing. Withdraw the military. We don't want them being killed again. We want them to withdraw them. We demand for the dismantling of all military checkpoints all over Southeast and the reduction of police checkpoints. They have turned Southeast to their ATM, bank of sorts.